Miley Cyrus confirmed her family and friends are safe after their plane was forced to perform an emergency landing. The Wrecking Ball hitmaker shocked fans when she shared a short clip on Twitter of her plane being hit midair by a huge bolt of lightning. Miley was flying to Paraguay to perform at the capital's Asunciónico festival, but has subsequently pulled out of appearing at the event following the terrifying incident. Taking to social media to reassure her fans, Miley said she and her fellow passengers were caught up in the extreme weather conditions that have hit Paraguay in recent days. To my fans and everyone worried after hearing about my flight to Asunción. Our plane was caught in a major unexpected storm and struck by lightning, she began. My crew, band, friends and family who are all traveling with me are safe after an emergency landing, she wrote alongside the 2-second clip of the lightning storm. Miley then shared a picture of the damage the bolt had caused to the plane, and apologized to her fans who would be missing out on seeing her at the festival. We were unfortunately unable to fly into Paraguay. I love you, she wrote alongside a picture of the damage caused by the lightning bolt. It appears the lightning struck the wing of the plane, and concerned fans flocked to send their well wishes to the singer. We're happy you're safe, Miley. I hope fans from Paraguay can understand and hope to see you another time, one wrote. We are so happy that you, your family and team are okay. I can't imagine how scary was going through a flight like this, another added. We love you, your safety is more important, one replied. The Paraguay capital was besieged by extreme weather in recent days, and on Tuesday, high rainfall and massive flooding was reported. The Asunciónico festival announced they had cancelled the first day of the event, which had been set to feature Foo Fighters, Machine Gun Kelly, and Doja Cat, but it's unknown if the adverse weather will affect further days. Web celebs at mirror.co.uk or call us direct 0207 29 33 033.